Want to do a follow-up on this Scott's Fescue Classic here. So today is June 12th, 2024. I had thrown this down on either June 3rd or June 4th. The video published on June 4th, so I may have done it the day before. But I wanted to show you what 8 or 9 days of growth looks like in my particular yard here. You can see I am now right there in that spot where the sun is. I'm now entering my 1 to 2 hours of sunshine in this little spot here. And you can see it is clearly grown. And I'll show you a before picture. It's grown really, really well. I still have some bare spots, and the reason for that is it rained one time and the water runs down through here and it actually pushed all of the grass seed into here. And you can see I've got grass growing in there now. I tried to pull some of it out, but it was wet. Still have some bare spots. I should have done a little bit of aeration around there. The problem is the ground is so wet right here that when I do aerate it with an aerator and poke the holes in the ground, they kind of like fill up really quick. I had done that like maybe 2 weeks earlier, but they were gone at this point. So basically just laid this grass seed on the ground, and this is what I got. I'm thinking if I use the other half of the bag there, I should be able to, fill those in. We'll see, but I just want to show you what 8 to 9 days of growth looks like. So from where I'm sitting on my porch, it looks way better than it did before. And this is a shady, sort of well-traveled area. I try to stay on the stepping stones. Looking a lot better. I'm pretty happy with this.